The AX Rock Bolt is manufactured from a special hot-rolled deformed bar. This bolt is manufactured with an M24 by 3mm pitch thread featuring a rib pattern which actively assists with mixing the chemical anchors during installation. The benefits of this system are: the deformed bar rib pattern ensures superior load transfer properties. The rolled thread strength nominally equals the column strength of the bolt. Designed for use with chemical anchors, but can be effectively used with cementitious grouts. Sandvik AX grade rock bolts deliver a typical yield strength of 240 kN and tensile strength of 340 kN for varying applications. A reliable shear pin breakout system allows for fast tension to the roof. Sandvik offers a range of breakouts to suit requirements. Prior to installation, ensure the hole is flushed and free from dust and grit. The resin capsules are inserted into the hole, fast-set end first. Push the bolt slowly up, rotating the bolt to begin the mixing process. When the bolt reaches the back of the hole, rotate for a further 4 seconds to ensure complete mixing. Total mixing time must not exceed the stated spin time. Stop the rotation and leave the bolt for at least the stated hold time. Break the nut out and tighten the plate up to the roof. All Sandvik rock bolts can be manufactured to suit either left or right-hand bolt rotation. Sandvik has alternative high-ribbed rock bolts to maximize load transfer from the rock to the bolt. This is achieved with higher transverse ribs together with lower profile longitudinal ribs. Standard bolt lengths range from 0.6 meters to 3 meters in 300mm increments. Alternative lengths can be manufactured if required. Corrosion protection may be provided by hot dip galvanizing or alternative coatings if required.